You're moving the skid. You got it, you're good. Lift that bitch up, swing it around and drive it. Oh, fuck. Swing it to the right, towards me. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Now curl your arm up. Curl your arm up before you go, like do this. No, 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 that's too high. You'll tip. Now curl it all the way in. The boom. Like fold it in. Like you're flexing your bicep, you know? Yeah. Now push it down. Keep going, curling. All right, right there. That's good.